wild, eh? Yeah, I'm on this track. I'm not sure 100% if this is the right way, but a nice little pretty walk. This crazy bamboo bending over like a bridge. Serenity village. Welcome to Yeh Labuh Falls. Dragonflies. That was definitely dodgy. I wouldn't go down that without the rope. Oh, this is a hidden gem. Oh, you can't even see us from the bottom. Alright, how's it going, people? We're going to Yeh Labuh Falls, and right now we're on a walking track, can you believe it? And we're driving, so I don't know how that's impossible, but we're getting there. Once we end up here, we'll start walking. We've got about, I don't know how much it is, 600 metre walk, and then after this, 900, about a K return. Okay, so I'm on this track. I'm not sure 100% if this is the right way, but the maps could be a little bit wrong, but there was a little bit of a track up there, but it was a bit of a temple. But I think it's meant to be a scooter path, and this seems to be matching that, so I'm sure this will work. About a K return, and we'll see how we go. Well, it's about less than that. It's about probably 500 metres return if you just go to the base of the first falls, but we're going to try and get up to the second one. So this crazy bamboo bending over like a bridge, that is so wild. Wow, a little splitty. I'm sure we're going down still, but yeah. This way, it's a nice little pretty walk. Little houses everywhere. Classic rooster just on the way to Waterfalls, as you expect in Asia. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm here in the water already, so we're getting close. Sea water down there, but the flow is somewhere up here. There might be a little cascade before it. Look at this, that's a sick little cascade. This is a man-made weir or something. Have a look at that. Jump off we go. Like weird they made just to stand in the water for a second. Look at these man-made weirs. The bridge is sick. Well, we might as well have a quick look at that cascade since it's just there. Serenity village. Welcome to Yeh Labuh Falls. Interesting. Oh, back to off track. I made a little concrete thing there too, which is weird. Wow. Oh, there's a. Wait, what? It's a huge one. That's gonna be it. That's hectic. See in the distance. You park in, so you leave the scooter track. It goes up there, or whatever, I don't know. I was almost going to creek up, just stand out, climb up the level because I could see it was very close, but I figured maybe it's just boulders in between, so we'll just jump back on this and make our lives a little bit quicker. It is monstrous. Flow is sick, amazing. There's no little level in between. Piping set up. Tiny cascade. We might as well explore it while we're here. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. No, I can climb this easily. Oh well. A bit of level. I don't think there's going to be tourists here. There's no really proper, you know, signs and stuff when you get here, so it's like the little one that we found, but we barely knew where I was going when I started walking, so I'm just doubling back for a second just because I can. I like to look at stuff. Okay, yeah, creek up would have been just very viable since we're already going to get over these levels. I just thought these boulders were going to be not worth it, but yeah, me being me, I like to do a random little like spot they chill out, obviously. do their prayers and that. Do a little sign up here. Baptist Monday. I don't know what that means. You know what that means? Chuck it in the comments for me. It's cool, they're probably trying to fill it up, but at the moment it's draining out. The path pretty much pushes you into here anyway. There's 2 ways to go. I don't know what this other thing's washed away a bit here. I don't know why you can walk through the side of the rock, but you can. Alright, along we go. Busted pipe leak in here. That's wasting water. Nah. Wow, this is hectic. Awesome. Dragonflies. You can see it. Cool. Alright, let's find the way to climb up. This is definitely not really touristy because you've got to scramble up this. Even the next section's a bit how's it going for people, but obviously I'll get around. And I'll talk about how there's an upper level. I don't know how the hell you're going to get up there, but there is a pipe up there, so someone has. Interesting. Maybe there's a faint track you can't see over here. Holy hell, that's wild, eh? Yeah, I don't know how. You can kind of scurry up there, but there's no guarantee you're going to head back around, maybe, but wicked size. Woo! If you count both tiers, that's over 100 metres, surely. Like I said, there's still supposed to be an upper that's different to that. This is the lower one, also. There you have it. Pretty sick. 2 people just rocked up, luckily. It's a pretty random waterfall, but anyway. I'm just seeing how this side is. Woo-wee! I'm down here. You didn't see me. This pipe's running up there. I'm wondering how they did it. If they went up here, maybe. Yeah. Or they've continued up the trib. This looks a bit possible. Looks like a Dutch family or something, is my guess. There's an old rope there. What sketchy way to get around. I would rather go up that spur. These guys crazy. Wow. Well, it'll work if you can get up this. This rope has seen way better days. Oh my god. That was definitely dodgy. I wouldn't go down that without the rope. Ocean view, how sick is that? We're gonna just climb over this dodgy bit here. Hopefully, this next bit looks a bit hairy. Hopefully we can get over it. That is wild. I can't believe I got through there. It's so hectic. But we're up here. If they call this the upper falls, I don't know. Maybe it is technically then. Still pretty good accomplishment to be up here. The families down the bottom there. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Maybe 6, who knows. That is awesome. There's like a hidden waterfall in the corner here, eh? It is pumping. Wow, this is a hidden gem. Oh, you can't even see us from the bottom. How sick is that? That's better than the lower falls. Oh my god. Wow, people. Eat your heart out. Didn't expect that. That is amazing hidden find. You're welcome. Holy hell. I got goosebumps. I'm so happy for it, eh? The flow is sick. I'll find this Instagram. Wow. Alright, now I can get down. Now I'm going for a drive around the north side of the island. Gonna be fun. Bottom of the weir on the way back.